Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Compliment of the season. Guys, you're welcome. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate. Pardon my nails. I did not have the time to do my nails. Christmas is gone and we are bursting into 2023. Guys, you are welcome. If it's your first time here, I really appreciate. So the last video I posted, I was thinking was going to be the last video of the year 2022. I said to myself, no, why not just bring out another video? So that is why I am filming this video. Today is Thursday and I'm going to edit it today. I'll be posting it either Friday, which is the 30th, or 31st, which is Saturday. I think that's what I'm going to do. If it's your first time in here, I review wigs from different companies all over the world. Yes, guys, that is what I do here. The hair I will be installing today is from Kisslove Hair. It is customized blonde Balayage on brown hair transparent 30 by 4 lace front wig. The inches is 24 inches and the density is 250 density. There will be a discount code for you guys. If you use the code CC15, you're going to get 15% off your purchase. All information about this wig will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out in case if you are interested. If you're watching this video on the 31st, on the 30th or 31st, or even on New Year Day, you're welcome to 2023. With all that being said, guys, let's head quickly to this hair review. So this is how the hair came packaged. Kisslove Hair packaged in this bag, and there are some gifts inside here. Ooh, and there is Papa Noel. Bienvenue, Papa Noel. He's so cute. The choice of a new fashion at the back. Let me see what they added to the wig. You guys know I love it when they put goodies on any wig. Okay, there's a wig brush. You see, oh, this is so cute of them. And wig cap, I think there's 2 inside. Okay, it's 2. It's written here, 2 pairs inside. And there's another thing. Okay, an edge brush. And oh, see, a band. Okay, hair band that is written Kisslove Hair. All right, and there's another thing again. A pair of lashes. 3D is a 3D lashes. Okay, a pair of lashes. This is so gorgeous. I love this. And there's another thing. Oh, a blade. Ooh, thank you so much, Kisslove Hair. I appreciate all these gifts. So it's not only me. When you order from them, they're going to add all these goodies to your order. That is for sure. So, and don't forget, the code is CC15. When you use that code, you're going to get 15% off your purchase, which is a good deal. Okay, it's a good deal. So this is it. It's 24 inches. I think it's written somewhere. Yeah, this is it. 24 inches. You can see it here. It's upside down. See it here. It's 24 inches. So this is the wig. Wow, you guys know I love straight hair. When the hair comes straight like this, I'm in for it. And the color is everything. Wow, if you can lay your hands on this wig before that on the 1st of 2023, you've won. Okay, because this is so beautiful. I'm not lying to you. The hair is so beautiful. The texture of the hair is so silky, so soft, and there is no tangling. Okay, no tangling from the hair. I don't know if the camera is catching the real color. I think so. There's no tangling. You see, the color is everything and it's straight. You can see the transparent lace, and the color of the lace is brown. You can see the color of the wig. Wow, this brown mixed with cream color. And the front of the hair came, see, plucked. So I'm not going to do that. Let's see what we're going to do about this hair. Okay, see this, you can pluck it the more if you like. And it's transparent lace. The inside, it came with some combs. You can see in here there are some combs in here, inbuilt adjustable strap by the side. So I'm just going to pop this on. So guys, this is the hair on. The only thing I see about the hair is a little bit dry, so you just have to like oil it a little. So I added oil. I don't know if I should do center part or I should create middle part. You can see the lace. Okay, I think I'll be going for center part because you guys know I love center part. So I think I'll be going for center part. You can create whatever part you want with this hair, and you can also coil the hair, okay? But I love it straight. Wow, I love it straight, but you can coil it. If you go to their website, you're going to see the same hair coiled and straight. You see the difference. So I'm going for straight and center part. I think so. So I'm going for center. Where's my center? Should be here. So guys, this is my center part. I'm going to use wax stick to flatten the hair. Just take the flying hair backward this way and to define my center. I think it's right in center. So I'm going to cut the excess lace off. So guys, I brought out some baby hair. First of all, I'll cut from the ear side. You guys know how we do that. I'm looking down my mirror, and you have to be careful so that you don't cut your ear. So I'll cut the front, just following the hairline.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken.
So that is done. This is my baby hair. Because I want to drop the hair, I'm not going to glue this side down. I want to drop the hair this way, but you can glue it down like this. Okay, you glue this down, but because I just want to drop my hair this way, I'm not going to glue that down. So I just want to do my baby hair. I'll use hair mousse. To add cream. You can see I've not straightened the hair, but you can see how straight it is. Okay, so straight. I'll use my hot comb to flatten the front.
Is it too much to ask? A little conversation.
straight. The hair is so straight. See this? And it's really flat. See, that is flat. So I'm going to open the part. Let me widen it. I'm searching for something. I'm just going to widen the front.
Running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start.
Make it longer.
Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything.
And I'll use this to touch the front of the hair, just to cover the lace.
Yeah, it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh,
This hair is really straight. So straight. I don't want to shop the front. I just want to leave it like this. Or should I shop the front a little to give it more, just little feather? Maybe I should do that.
I've been hanging marbles in the tree.
You can skip this if you like.
So you should come back home to me.
I feel like shopping the front a little.
I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up.
I'll do the same thing to this side.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
So guys, that is it. This is the finished look of the hair. See, so gorgeous.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh.
The hair is so lovely. So lovely. Look at the front. I did not glue it down, by the way. I just brought out some baby hair. I can see from the side here, just little baby hair. That's all I did. They don't even see that much. Let me show you guys. See this? You see this? You can't see it that much. So that's all I did. This is so lovely. Lovely. The hair is so soft, so gorgeous, combs so easily. Look at this. Just see this with my comb. See how it comes so smooth and easy. You see that, guys? This is wow. So the hair is 24 inches. I'm going to leave all details about this wig on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. When you use the code CC15, you're going to get 15% off your purchase, which is a good day. And the hair is so lovely. So look at this. So gorgeous. That is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And I will see you guys very soon. Happy New Year! And remain gorgeous. Always remain gorgeous and stay blessed. Okay? I wish you guys a lovely, beautiful, blessed New Year. Alright guys. Ciao.